In this short tutorial, I will show you how to lock your Instagram app with Face ID on your iPhone. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your Instagram account by requiring your unique facial biometrics to open and access the app. To get started, open up the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have the Shortcuts app installed on your device, simply download it from the App Store. After that, tap Automation at the bottom center. And then tap on the New Automation button. And then scroll down until you see an option called App. Tap on it. Now you need to choose the Instagram app. To do that, tap where it says Choose. And then scroll down this list of apps and find and tap on the Instagram app. Tap Done at the top right. After that, tap where it says Run immediately. Once you've done that, tap Next. Now you need to select an action when Instagram is opened. To do that, tap New Blank Automation. Tap Add Action. And then tap on the search bar and search for Lock Screen. Tap and select the lock screen option from the search results. And then tap Done at the top right to finish the process. Now, when you or someone else opens up the Instagram app, your device will lock the screen. So you have to use your Face ID or passcode to unlock it and access Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.